Hey dolls, I'm so glad to be recording this Collectif haul, so let's get into it. This first dress is a baby blue halter dress with buttons in the front and the belt. It has a split in the back, dolls, and I love how this goes over my curves. It is a sexy dress, and I think you dolls would love a baby blue pencil dress like this. This is giving me 50s Marilyn Monroe vibes. I'm really loving this Collectif dress. I'm sure you will too. The next dress is the same dress, dolls, but it is in a pale green. Once again, it's in a halter top with buttons. The buttons are heart-shaped and it has a belt with a split in the back. Sorry about my bra, dolls. I have to find a better underpinnings for these dresses, dolls, but next to that is the yellow dress. It is giving me 60s vibes. Now, dolls, these have pockets, which you can never have a dress with too many pockets. I love that. It does come with a little mini belt. Dolls, I was so comfortable in this dress. It fits me amazing. It does have a swoop neckline in the back, and it is very high necked in the front, dolls, if I'm saying that right. Next dress is the same one as the first two, but it is black with heart-shaped buttons and a belt. Halter dress. I love it, dolls. It's giving me a sophisticated look, dolls. Also, I am also enjoying how it looks behind. It looks really nice. It has a split. And dolls, I think you will enjoy this also, dolls. It's just giving me very Marilyn Monroe, Dorothy Dandridge, Elizabeth Taylor vibes. I think you dolls will enjoy this dress as well. Next is the same dress but in polka dots. Now, dolls, you can never have too many polka dots. This time the buttons are black, heart-shaped polka dot dress halter with a thick belt. The belt is really sturdy. I do love the material though. I will say though, the belt is a different material than from the dress, but I do like how the dress fits. Now, dolls, this dress was tight to put on. I will say it is stretchy and has a lot of give though. This dress is giving me 60s vibes, dolls, floral. This dress was way tight on me, dolls. I had like a hard time getting it on. So yes, this was very, very tough to get on me, but it does have a nice sturdy zipper. But I will say, dolls, have someone help you put this dress on because it is very tight, but I do like how it fits. I will say though that the material is a little bit sturdier than the others. Now, this dress, dolls, this is more of a halter without the collar in the front. As you notice, the other halters had collars. This has a belt, dolls, and sorry about, my bra showing. Just ignore that. But yeah, this the material is really nice. I like how soft it is, and the belt is soft as well. And it has a split in the back, dolls. I think you dolls will enjoy that part on these dresses. Now, last but not least, this is giving me late 60s vibes. I am wearing a sheen top with this. It is a plaid dress, dolls. Now, this was super short. I would not wear this outside. I would just do cute little photo shoots in the house with this on, dolls. I'm wearing my pleaser heels with this. But I just want you to know and see this dress, dolls. See how short it is in the back. I couldn't even zip it up all the way in the back, dolls. But yeah, that's how short it is, dolls. And I will only be wearing this dress inside. I would not dare wear this outside. But that is it, dolls. I hope you enjoyed this haul and I hope you like it, dolls. Thank you for watching this, dolls. And I will see you dolls again soon. Bye, loves.